How to turn off direct messages preview notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off direct messages preview notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile here and then click these three lines in the top corner and then just click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find push notifications, click on it and then just scroll down again. Here you will find it, direct messages preview. Now all you need to do is just turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.